Hi and welcome back. Glad to see that you decided to join once again for yet another trip to another country. Today we're going to Belarus. And I don't know what happened, but apparently the gods of the weather were magnanimous and looked down on us. And after like 1 month of 40 degrees Celsius and scorching heat, today it's cold and windy and rainy and stormy, and it's perfect for the dish that I was planning to make anyways. So without any further ado, let's get to it. So quick recap: today we're in Belarus and we're making draniki. Draniki is a type of pancake with potatoes and a meaty filling. My mom's Russian or Belarusian friends love them. They could eat them every single day of their lives. And I think they're quite nice, but they're quite heavy, so you should probably not eat too many, and preferably eat them when it's not hot outside. So anyways, time to get cooking. Hi, real quick editing me here. I'm editing the video right now, and at the time of filming this video the situation hadn't escalated in Belarus. I hope everyone is safe and that the situation gets to a positive outcome real quick. So for draniki, what we need is 500 grams of potatoes, grated. I use the food processor and they're probably grated a bit coarsely, so if you do it by hand it should be a bit less coarse. Then we need approximately 250 grams of minced pork. I'm using minced chicken because I wanted to try it. Then we need a grated onion, split 3/4 and 1/4. 3/4 for the filling, for the potato mash mix, and 1/4 for the meaty filling. 1 tablespoon of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 egg, salt and pepper, and oil for frying. Let's get to it. So first we peel and grate our potatoes. Then we put them into a bowl, add the flour, add the 3/4 of the onions, moved. Also add the sour cream and the egg. We mix it well. Add some salt and pepper. And we move over to the meat filling. So for the meat, we have our meat. We have our onion, the remaining 1/4. I'm crying. We salt and pepper it. And we move over to our cooking station. So in a skillet or frying pan, we heat up a couple, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. Now we take a little bit of the dough into our hand, add some meat on top, and close it with some more potatoes. Leave it to fry for approximately 4 minutes on each side. And we proceed with all the ingredients until we don't have any more left. Now this one is done. And here we have our finished Draniki. As you saw, or as you can see, it's a quite simple recipe. And yeah, I think that's it from my part today. I'm going to eat now because I'm hungry. And thanks again for joining in. And if you made it until this point, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. I hope you're going to try it at home. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this, why not subscribe to my channel? And I'll see you next week with a new country. Bye!